Are you daydreaming about the perfect relaxing vacation? Well, you've clicked on the right video. Welcome to a world of sun-soaked luxury as we dive into luxury escapes. Explore the top 5 new all-inclusive resorts in Mexico. We've scoured coastlines to bring you nothing but the best, ensuring that each destination on our list lives up to the hype and then some. Stay tuned, because missing out on these gems, now that would be a real holiday spoiler. Kicking off our countdown at number 5, we dive into the vibrant world of the Royalton Splash Riviera Cancun. This all-inclusive autograph collection resort isn't just a stay. It's an adventure-packed paradise for families, blending top-tier amenities with a splash of fun. Picture this, one of the Caribbean's largest on-site water parks, complete with 14 slides, lazy rivers, and pools tailored for every age group, making it an unbeatable spot for both thrill and relaxation. With 1,005 rooms, each a suite of luxury, and a choice among 12 restaurants and 10 bars, the Royalton Splash is a hub of culinary and cocktail delights. Whether you're up for an a la carte treat, a casual buffet, or watching the game at the sports bar, your taste buds are in for a journey. And let's not forget the exclusive Diamond Club, offering private beach areas, personalized bar service, and another level of indulgence with its own pool and upgraded amenities. For those looking to mix relaxation and excitement, the resort's options are endless. From bowling alleys and laser tag to an indoor trampoline park and a full-scale convention center, boredom is simply not on the menu. And for a touch of serenity, the spa awaits to pamper you alongside state-of-the-art sports and fitness facilities. Keeping everyone connected is a breeze with all-in connectivity, offering free high-speed Wi-Fi across all your devices. Whether you're seeking a peaceful retreat or an action-packed escape, the Royalton Splash Riviera Cancun promises a vacation that surpasses every expectation. Sliding into number 4 on our luxurious list is the Hyatt Zilara Riviera Maya, a sanctuary specifically designed for adults poised on the idyllic shores of the Caribbean. This exclusive beachfront resort, stretching across 70 lush acres, offers a haven of tranquility with its 291 adults-only rooms. Whether you opt for a swim-up suite, an oceanfront room, or a space with a rooftop terrace, each setting affords stunning views of the sea or the sprawling resort grounds. Each room enhances your stay with a private furnished patio or balcony, elegant full marble bathrooms, and sleek double vanities. When it comes to dining, the Hyatt Zilara doesn't just serve meals, it serves a culinary adventure across its 4 restaurants and 5 bars and lounges. From unlimited gourmet dining to a vast array of drinks, all backdropped by the ocean's tranquil views, your palate is set for an exquisite journey. Not to be missed, the Lola Beach Club offers alfresco dining, where you can relish delicious dishes to the soothing sounds of the waves. But the Hyatt Zilara Riviera Maya is more than just sumptuous suites and fine dining. It's a playground of activities and relaxation. Pamper yourself at the Zen Spa or engage in wellness activities like sunrise yoga and water aerobics. For the more active guests, there's a tennis court and a state-of-the-art fitness center. As night falls, the energy shifts to exciting live entertainment in an on-site nightclub, perfect for those looking to dance the night away. Nestled in a serene adults-only setting, whether you're lounging on the beach or exploring the nearby mangrove forest, the Hyatt Zilara Riviera Maya promises a profoundly satisfying escape from the everyday. Taking the bronze in our lineup is the Margaritaville Island Reserve Riviera Maya, a dazzling new addition by Charisma Resort that opened its doors in June 2023. This adult-only haven is steeped in the laid-back essence of the legendary Jimmy Buffett. With 355 guest rooms and suites, each space is a slice of island paradise featuring airy island-inspired decor, pristine white linens, and bespoke furnishings, all curated to craft a serene and plush retreat. Dining here is not just eating, it's an Epicurean expedition. With a total of 9 dining outlets, including 5 Margaritaville-inspired restaurants and a beachside grill, guests can indulge in everything from sophisticated gourmet meals to relaxed beach eats, all part of the all-inclusive experience. Perfectly positioned on the Riviera Maya coast, the resort offers proximity to local wonders like the Tulum Mayan ruins and the Cancun Underwater Museum, making it a prime spot for guests who want to mix relaxation with exploration. The resort itself is a playground of tranquility and activity. Dive into relaxation at one of the 3 freeform swimming pools, or embrace the day with activities ranging from nature adventures to luxurious spa treatments. Speaking of spas, the Saint Somewhere Spa by Charisma features a 2,000 square foot gym with an outdoor terrace perfect for yoga sessions. The spa is equipped with everything from steam rooms and saunas to 9 treatment rooms, ensuring a full spectrum of wellness offerings. As the sun sets, the resort pulses with tropical energy, especially around the pools, 2 of which boast swim-up bars. Additional poolside spots like the 5 o'clock somewhere bar and License to Chill and the SOS swim-up bar ensure that the vibe stays lively and refreshing. Margaritaville Island Reserve elevates the all-inclusive concept with chef-driven menus, surprise gourmet snack hours, and customizable in-room bars, promising a vacation where the Margaritaville lifestyle blends seamlessly with top-tier luxury and a friendly, casual atmosphere. Whether opting to explore the surroundings or simply soaking up the sun by the pool, this resort is a tropical sanctuary that delivers both relaxation and vibrant fun. Coming in at number 2, we unveil the dazzling new entry Secrets Impressions Isla Mujeres. Nestled on the serene Isla Mujeres, this exclusive resort is a love letter to couples seeking an unparalleled romantic escape right in the heart of the Caribbean. It's the only resort on the island that offers a secluded paradise just a few steps from the crystalline waters, stunning beaches, and the vibrant marine life teeming around the world's 2nd largest coral reef. The travel to this private retreat is as exclusive as the stay, with a dedicated boat transporting guests directly to their secluded haven. Here, every moment is intentionally designed for romance and adventure, from exhilarating slides directly into the ocean to exploring artistic wonders beneath the waves at the Cancun Underwater Museum of Art. Secret Impressions Isla Mujeres redefines luxury with endless privileges that ensure an intimate, highly personalized experience. Guests are pampered by dedicated butlers, offering services such as twice daily refreshed minibar, 24-hour private dining right in your room, and round-the-clock laundry services. The gourmet culinary offerings, premium spirits, and personal touches like a welcome bottle of tequila or rum, sparkling wine, and fresh fruit daily elevate the stay further, alongside a complimentary 20-minute wellness experience. The resort features architectural marvels like tiered infinity pools and overwater cabanas. The spa invites guests to indulge in unique flotation treatment, while unlimited dining options are available at 8 exquisite restaurants. Don't miss out on the breathtaking sunset views from the rooftop pool. The accommodations are nothing short of spectacular, with 125 ultra-luxurious suites, each equipped with personalized butler service. From the junior suite suite with a tropical view to those with partial ocean views and a hot tub. Each offers a slice of paradise tailored to your preferences. Whether you're looking to unwind at the spa, slide into the ocean, snorkel the coral reefs, or explore the island on a personal golf cart, Secret Impressions Isla Mujeres offers a boutique experience that's as unique as it is exclusive, ensuring every moment is filled with romance, luxury, and meticulous attention to your desires. And clinching the top spot on our list as the best new resort in Mexico for 2024 is the illustrious Secret Tulum Resort and Beach Club by AMR Collection. Opened in October 2023, this adult-only sanctuary masterfully blends modern luxury with authentic touches, set in the enchanting landscape where the lush jungle of Tulum meets the sparkling Caribbean Sea. Reflecting a fusion of ancient Mayan culture and chic bohemian style, Secret Tulum is more than just a stay, it's an immersive experience. The resort houses 300 uniquely designed suites and an opulent luxury villa, offering an array of jungle and beachside views, all included in their signature unlimited luxury package. The architecture is a nod to the natural beauty of the region, with cenote-inspired designs, earthy decor, and tranquil meditation areas scattered among secluded pools, surrounded by dense green foliage. Step into the resort's 301 suites, each opening to a cenote-style courtyard, featuring a serene pool set against the backdrop of local flora. The resort's layout encourages relaxation and introspection, with serene yoga spots and soothing waterfalls throughout the property. Suite options vary from a junior suite with lush tropical views to a more expansive junior suite swim-out, complete with a private pool, a spacious living room, and a kitchenette, not to mention the indulgent secret box and bath amenities. The experience at Secret Tulum extends far beyond the accommodations. Guests can enjoy a myriad of activities, from luxuriating in pools designed to mimic natural cenotes to engaging in nightly entertainment such as open-air concert projections and mixology classes. Wellness is a cornerstone of the stay, with the Spa by Pevonia offering a sanctuary complete with indigenous treatment and a comprehensive hydrotherapy circuit. For those seeking a more active escape, the resort provides everything from snorkeling and scuba diving to aqua spinning. Secret Tulum invites guests to explore its pristine beaches, delve into the ancient Mayan ruins nearby, and embrace the local ecotourism opportunities. True to the Secrets brand, the resort prides itself on exquisite dining, innovative cocktails, impeccable service, and first-rate spa offerings. Secret's Tulum Resort and Beach Club is not just a getaway, it's a gateway to a mystical, luxurious experience enveloped in the captivating allure of Tulum. And there you have it. From swanky swim-up suites to romantic rooftop retreats, we've guided you through the cream of the crop of Mexico's newest all-inclusive resorts for 2024. So which of these luxe locales will be your next dream destination? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And before you jet off, don't forget to show some love by liking this video and subscribe to Luxo-Life for more luxurious escapes. Up next, don't miss our recommended video where we delve deeper into the charm of Tulum, offering you even more reasons to book that ticket. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep living the Luxo-Life.